Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible 2025 McLaren Artura, a supercar that truly redefines the meaning of performance and innovation. First off, let's talk about the heart of this beast. The Artura is McLaren's first plug-in hybrid, boasting a hybrid twin-turbo 3-liter V6 engine. This powertrain delivers a jaw-dropping 690 horsepower and 531 pound-feet of torque. The electric motor alone provides up to 21 miles of EV-only range, making it perfect for those short city trips without any emissions. Now, McLaren has introduced the new Spider version for 2025, adding an open-top experience that lets you feel the wind and sun while you drive. The Spider's electrically operated top stows in just 11 seconds at speeds up to 31 miles per hour. Plus, there's an optional dimmable electrochromic version to control the amount of sunlight entering the cabin. When it comes to performance, the Artura Spider is a true powerhouse. It can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds, thanks to the lightweight carbon lightweight architecture and retuned chassis. The top speed is an impressive 205 miles per hour. Inside, the Artura's cabin combines luxury and functionality. You'll find leather and micro-suede materials, power-adjustable seats, and excellent outward visibility. The minimalist design ensures you stay focused on the driving experience, with all essential controls within easy reach. For tech enthusiasts, the Artura includes an 8-inch vertically oriented touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, navigation, and optional wireless charging. The available Bowers & Wilkins 12-speaker surround sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, perfect for those long drives. Safety features haven't been overlooked either. The 2025 Artura comes standard with lane departure warning and road sign recognition. Optional features include blind spot monitoring and cross-traffic detection, ensuring you stay safe while enjoying the thrill of driving. McLaren's commitment to quality is evident in the Artura's warranties. You get a 5-year unlimited mile limited and powertrain warranty, along with a 3-year complimentary maintenance plan. The 2025 McLaren Artura starts at $256,308 for the coupe, while the Spider version starts at $281,008. So what do you think about the 2025 McLaren Artura? Let us know in the comments below! And as always, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing car content.